demand functions obtained in A are decreasing in prices and increasing in income. Okay. So explain the meaning. This Marshalian demand function just shows the quantity of good X or Y you can buy with the income you have and the prices. Okay, and we did that in the previous video. Okay, just to run through. Step 1, you get the margin rate of substitution and budget constraint equation, which was done there. Step 2, you equate the margin rate of substitution with the slope of the budget constraint line and solve for X and Y, which we did here. Okay. In step 3, substitute your values for X and Y back into the budget constraint equation. Okay. And we got this as our Marshalian demand equations. Alright. Now we need to show that these functions, okay, they decrease with price. When pricing, what it's basically saying is, if price increases, the quantity you can demand is going to drop, and if income increases, the quantity that you can buy will increase. Okay, so let's just illustrate this with the figures. Alright, let's say your income I is 100 kwacha. Okay, and let's say the price of good Y is 5 kwacha, and the price of good X is 10 kwacha. Okay. So initially with our Marshalian demand functions, Y equals 100 over 2 times PY, PY is 5 there. So 100 divided by 10, I give you 10 units. Okay. So initially, with the prices and the income we have, if you want to get good Y, you can get 10 units. If you want to get good X, 100 income over 2 times the price of good X is 10. So 100 divided by 20 was 5. You can get 5 units. Now the question is asking us, show us that this decreases in price and increases with income. So let's say, for example, the price increases now. PY increases from 5 kwacha to 10 kwacha. PX increases from 10 kwacha to 20 kwacha. Let's see how much, and let's say our income stays the same. Okay, income will stay the same. Okay, so say case 1. This is for this way illustrating for decrease in price. Okay, how the demand function drops with a decrease in price. Okay, so you will come back to Y. You're going to say Y equals 100 over 2. So the price of Y is no longer 5, it's 10. Okay, so 100 over 2 times 10, that is 20. 100 divided by 20, 5 units. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir. Has class just started or it started a long time ago?
Long time ago. We're actually ending here. It's just that I'm just doing the last part, but I've recorded.
Oh, sure, sir. Glad you share. Thank you.
So colleagues, have we seen when there's an increase in price, demand drops? Okay, That's the first case that they're asking us here, where they say, show that the demand functions obtained in A are decreasing in prices. So we've seen here, if the price of the good increases, how much you buy reduces, okay? Which we already know. This is the law of demand. Okay, this is just the law of demand in play here. Okay, and let's also see for y. 2 times 20, and the price of x increases to 20. Okay, so 100 divided by 40. Divided by 40, 2.5 units. Okay, so we illustrated case 1. Okay, so we say when price increases, let me just type it out to be easy. When price increases, whilst income is held constant, the demand functions decrease. Okay? The demand functions decrease. So now we're going to go to case 2. How these functions increase with income. Okay, case 2. Okay. We're going to come back here. Remember where we started, our starting point was here. Income 100, price of y 5, price of x 10. Okay, so now this income, let's say it increases to 200. Okay, case 2, income increases to 200, and the prices stay the same. Okay, income increases to 200. Okay. So income 200, px, py we said it was 5, px we said it was 10. Okay. So let's see what happens. For y, we're going to say y equals, remember the Marshalian demand, I over 2py. Okay, so if the income increases to 200 divided by 2 times 5, that is 10. We can get 20 units of y. Okay. So there we've illustrated when income increases, whilst the price stay constant, the amount of goods you can buy increases, which we already know this. Okay, we already know this in real life. If your income increases, your salary increases, and let's say the prices of goods and services are still relatively the same, you buy more of those goods. Okay, so for x equals I over 2px. Income increased to 200 over the price of good x was 10 units. So 200 times 20, 200 divided by 20, that is 10 units. Okay. So initially when we started, when our income was I think 100 kwacha, The price of good Y was 5 kwacha, price of good X was 10 kwacha. Y we could only get 10 units. X we could only get 5 units. Now when the income increases to 200 kwacha, Y we're able now to get 20 units, and X we're able to get 10 units. Okay. So the demand function increases with income. Okay. So all of this is just following the law of demand. Okay.